Installing screen. Important. Use at least 2 people when lifting and installing screen. Handle the frame and back of screen and avoid touching the front of screen. Stand screen up and add leveling feet to each corner on the back of screen. Do not over-tighten. Hang screen onto screen mounting bracket, placing slots in bracket on back of screen over tabs on screen mounting bracket. Ensure the cables are placed over the projector during installation of screen and then along the side of the screen so that they are accessible for later steps of the installation. Level screen against the wall by placing a level against the front of screen and adjusting the level feet. Continue to adjust until screen matches the wall's vertical plane. Image alignment. Using remote control included with projector, press Power button on the remote control or projector control panel. Press Menu button. Select Easy Interactive Function from the Extended menu. Select Touch Unit Setup. Select Installation Pattern. The installation pattern is displayed on the projected image. Use the center mark on the top frame of screen, red tape at top of frame, to line up with vertical line at center of pattern. Focus the image. Slide the air filter cover latch. Open the air filter cover. Raise or lower the focus lever to sharpen the image.